Hello and welcome, guys. Location I've wanted to come to for so many years, and finally I've come here. It's a very iconic shot. Castle in the background, these phenomenal boulders, which I must say are deadly. And that is, Ginger's just got distracted, as that is going to be a challenge. Being unsteady on your feet, it's a challenge. It's a challenge. And we've not, I don't think we're far off high tide, maybe another hour or so off high tide, I'm not 100% sure. And then we're going to spend a time here, and I think we're going to follow it, the water as it recedes, I think. But it's just a phenomenal location, it really is a phenomenal location. And we will have to work together as a fair few of us as well. So we're going to have to work together because we're getting in each other's shots, etc, etc. So, problem but not a problem. And I just wanted to share this location with you. Steady, see what I mean? Now it's supposed to have been a lot moodier today, so that's a bit of a bummer, to be honest. We wanted it moodier, so hopefully that mood will roll in. The clouds are bubbling. The clouds are bubbling. It's nice. The castle itself looks phenomenal, and the light on it's really nice. So let me just swing you around, and I'll show that. But that is looking damn fine. So yeah, that's the plan. Just have a look. Oh, it's not all wet. It's all soaked in your sock. You know what, sometimes you have to give it all to the cause, and I'm giving it all to the cause, believe me. And if oh, this is fantastic. I'm getting a little bit cold and I am soaking wet. I don't know if I can show you. No, hold on. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see that. But we're soaking. There we go. Okay. Oh man. But I've got the image I want. I've got the image, I think, that I've travelled 300 miles, spent days, but this was my main priority shot for Northumberland. And I know everybody's got it, but I just wanted mine. And I'm loving it. Fantastic. Bring it on. I'm a little bit chilly. That's it. I'm a little bit chilly. Shot wise is that foreground boulder there, the main foreground just here. Obviously that there. I'm in landscape priority. I've actually got that boulder on the bottom left. Capital. Take a shot on the bottom right. Fourth of a second at the moment, seems to work really well with the travelling water, and I'm loving it. And I will try a landscape shot, because we've got a nice rock just here as well, which I might be able to incorporate. And before this water starts to actually recede out, which it's doing, I just get the odd road wave, which absolutely soaks me. So I've come onto this, the little peninsula that I showed you over there. And you know what? I think I was too late to get a splash around this rock here. It's not going to work for me. But I think I'm going to get a little bit of wave action. And I've never ever actually got a bit of wave action that I've been happy with. Just simplified wave. And I might just try a little wave ICM. Might. Because we've got some lovely wave, beautiful wave there. Like now, just a nice curly wave. Long lens. Try and anticipate where it comes and try. Not being successful yet. So, this is the first time for it. Like now, beautiful wave crashing. We're just getting a little bit of a rain shower coming through here. We're also getting a rain shower out there. It's a little sailing boat. But I've tried to capture it right in the middle of the storm beyond it. So you've got that real dark storm behind this white sailing boat. Fantastic. Before you go, just take a look at these images. Let's watch it and see you soon.